Toss it in the washing machine, and dirt and limescale will disappear. Your washer will be clean, and your laundry will always smell fresh. But before you focus on the drum, it's essential to take care of other key parts. Regular cleaning is crucial for fresh laundry and a long-lasting appliance. Start with the washing machine door. Wipe it down thoroughly with a damp cloth. Pay special attention to the seals, where detergent residue, hair, and dust tend to accumulate. Next, tackle the detergent drawer. Never skip this spot. Pull it out, break a cleaning tablet into each compartment, pour in some vinegar, and scrub it all with a brush. Vinegar has antibacterial and disinfecting properties and helps dissolve dried-on deposits. Now, onto the washing machine drum. Toss in 2 cleaning tablets. These aren't expensive, specialized products. These simple tablets for cleaning dentures contain soda and citric acid, effectively removing limescale, greasy deposits, and bacteria. Set the program as usual. Do this once a month, and your washing machine will thank you with fresh, fragrant laundry and trouble-free operation. Did you know that if you pour dish soap onto a sponge and toss it into the drum, the dish soap will break down buildup and freshen the inside of your washer? The sponge, thanks to its structure, acts as a carrier that releases the soap gradually during the wash. Together, they leave your washing machine smelling fresh and thoroughly cleaned. Once a month, do this with your washing machine, and you'll forget about expensive repairs. Hardly anyone knows this trick. We use our washers almost every day, so regular maintenance is essential. One part we often overlook is the filter. It catches lint, hair, and small debris, and if it clogs, it can cause serious issues. Place a towel under the filter to protect the floor. Take an empty plastic bottle and carefully cut off the top. Then cut out a side section so it fits snugly under the filter opening. Unscrew the filter slowly. All the dirty water and residue will drain right into the bottle. It's a great way to see how much gunk builds up inside. Take out the filter and scrub it thoroughly with a brush in the sink. This helps remove dirt from every crevice. Don't forget to clean the filter housing too, where residue can also collect. Pour a little water inside to flush it out. Reinsert the clean filter and tighten it well. Done. The filter is clean, your washer runs like new, and you avoid an expensive repair bill. Put your dirty socks in a bowl with water like this. They'll be clean and regain their white color. I don't waste time scrubbing socks anymore. I remove the dirt from them, but I don't have to rub them with my hands. Anyone who has white socks knows they get dirty quickly. They can turn gray and dirty in no time. If your socks look like this too, get a bowl ready and do what I do. Pour half a liter of hot water. Take baking soda. Baking soda is great for removing dirt. Measure out 1 tablespoon, put it in the bowl with water, and mix well until it dissolves. You need dishwashing liquid. It effectively removes various stains, even greasy ones. Measure out 1 tablespoon, and add it to the water. You also need vinegar. It softens water. Measure out 2 tablespoons and add them to the mixture. Stains and dirt will disappear faster thanks to it. Add another tablespoon of regular table salt. Our grandmothers already knew about the washing properties of salt. Mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients dissolve. The laundry mixture is ready. Now just soak the socks in it. Leave them in this water for a few hours. If the socks are heavily soiled, you can increase the amounts of each ingredient. After a few hours in the water, your socks will be clean. The dirt will disappear. This mixture always works and handles the most soiled socks. The underwear will regain its snowy white color without the use of chlorine bleach. Pour hot water, very hot, into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to it. This is a commonly known product for its whitening properties. If you don't have baking soda, you can use 3 or 4 packages of baking powder. Baking powder is a mixture with soda in it, so it has a weaker effect than soda alone. Also, add 2 tablespoons of salt to the water. Salt whitens and removes stains. Our grandmothers already used it for this purpose when doing laundry. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of laundry detergent, preferably designed for white clothes. Mix everything with a spoon or spatula. Immerse the cotton underwear.
Soak it thoroughly and leave it for at least 20 minutes. Take it out of the bowl and put it in the washing machine as usual with other white items and wash it. Delicate lingerie, lace panties, and bras will look like new. You can also whiten them with another home method. In a bowl of warm water, not boiling, add baking soda and laundry detergent for white clothes in the same proportion. It can be 2 tablespoons for a smaller amount of items. Dissolve them well and soak the lingerie. Leave it to soak for about 20 minutes and wash it as usual in the washing machine on the Delicate Fabrics program. After washing, you will notice the difference. The lingerie will be much whiter. How to wash curtains to make them white again? After a few weeks, curtains turn gray and lose their snowy white color, especially curtains hanging in the kitchen and dining room. Not only dust and dirt settle on them, but also grease. If you don't have time to soak them before washing in the machine, prepare a sock. Put 2 tablespoons of salt in it, add a little dishwashing liquid. But not too much, so that there is not too much foam. Throw this salt and dishwashing liquid bundle into the washing machine with the curtains. Add a laundry capsule as usual, and pour a little vinegar into the fabric softener compartment. This will refresh the whiteness and help remove strong stains. Curtains will be like new after washing. However, you will achieve better results if you soak the curtains before washing. Pour 2 tablespoons of salt into a bowl of warm water. For a better effect, adding at least 1 tablespoon of baking powder is sufficient. Instead of baking powder, you can use baking soda, depending on what you have in your kitchen cabinet. Soak the curtains in this water and then wash them as usual in the washing machine. You'll get rid of dirt, and the curtains will be snowy white again after just 1 wash.
Put the plastic bag into the washing machine. You'll be surprised what it can do. A simple disposable plastic bag will make your clothes cleaner after being taken out of the washing machine. How is this possible? Clothes carry dust, dirt, and hair. During washing, these contaminants often settle around the seal of the washing machine. That's why there are various dust and hair residues underneath it. All of this stays in the drum. Then these contaminants mix with the clothes in the next wash. But the solution may turn out to be a simple plastic bag. Put it in the washing machine. It must be a bag without printing. Add the clothes you need to wash. Add laundry detergent or a capsule. Pour fabric softener. Set the program to a temperature not higher than 40 degrees and start the washing. What will happen? There will certainly be more foam than usual. Due to the plastic bag, the detergent will foam more. Additionally, during the washing cycle, the plastic bag will collect all the dirt, fur, and hair that were on the clothes. When the washing machine finishes washing, open it and take out the laundry in the plastic bag. I'll show you that there is fine dust and hair on it. And I only washed 1 blouse. The blouse is clean, the washing machine too, and the residues were either rinsed away with water or removed from the plastic bag.